But this is not an ordinary table. This is a smart control table, which I built into the side of my couch, and I call it my smart couch table. And it's entirely controlled by Google, and this is how it works. Hey Google, open couch table.
Sure, opening the couch table now.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel, and I hope you like today's video. If you like smart home and automotive technology content, then hit that subscribe button because most of the time that is what you're going to see on this channel. Okay, the main purpose of today's video is to introduce you to my latest homemade smart home invention. A lot of you have told me you like my smart home invention videos, so today I've got another one for you, and here it is. This is my smart couch table. So as you can probably see, I basically built a table onto the side of my couch that can fold away when I'm not using it, so it doesn't take up room in my tiny little office. It doesn't manually fold away though, it's fully automated and I get Google to control it for me. Some of you might be sitting there now thinking, but that looks like the couch is made like that, and thank you so much for your compliment. But no, I did not buy this couch like this. This is a homemade project, and to make it look as professional as possible, I upholstered the table to match the couch. But I'll tell you all about that later on in the video. Lack of floor space was my main reason for building this. Up until now I have been using this little round table here, and I don't like it for two reasons. Well, three reasons actually. One, it's not smart. Two, it's too small, and it's round. The build quality is not great. The legs keep coming loose all the time, making it wobbly to use. And three, when I'm not using it and it's in the way, I have to pick it up and find somewhere else to put it. And as ridiculous as it may sound, that is so annoying in a tiny room of this size. So after several months of that small but annoying problem, I came up with the perfect solution to fix it. Looking at my smart couch table, you might be thinking, so this is just a motorized table that goes up and down? No. Well, yes. Well, no. Well, yes, kind of. But it's smart. And I don't just mean smart controlled. I mean this little table is actually intelligent as well, making it very safe to use. Okay, instead of trying to explain to you what I mean, I'll show you instead. It's going to be a lot more fun that way as well. Okay, as I said before, my smart couch table is controlled by Google, but my Google Assistant is over here on my workbench table, so you're not going to be seeing much of her in this video, so you will need to listen for her in the background instead. Hey Google, say hello.
I'd love to talk to you. How's your day going?
It's good. I'm actually just making another video for my YouTube channel.
Alright, playing it good. I'm actually making YouTube channel videos on YouTube.
What? What are you doing? Oh no. No. Don't do that. No, stop. Google, stop. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes that happens. But now, my favorite voice assistant, who listens to exactly what I say when I talk to her, is going to demonstrate to you how she opens my smart couch table. Okay Google, open couch table.
Sure, please keep your arm and fingers away from the side of the couch because the table is opening now.
And now, out of the middle of nowhere, I've got a table on the side of my couch. So I've got somewhere to keep my glass of water, my phone, my TV remote, my tablet, and anything else. Yes, I will admit, not only is this a really cool addition to my smart home, but it is also incredibly useful. But it even has another really useful feature as well, and that's what this USB cable here is for, on the side of the table. This cable is so I can charge my phone and tablet without having to even move or get up from the couch. Yeah, I know, that's just straight out laziness on my part. But wait, because it gets better. Now I'm going to plug in my tablet so I can show you guys how this works. Okay, that's plugged in. But why is the tablet not charging? Yeah, there's a really good reason for that, and that's because just like the couch table itself, this USB cable is actually connected to a phone charger, which is built into the main control interface of the smart couch, and so that's also controlled by Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn on couch table charger.
Sure, please connect the device you would like to charge to the couch table charger now. The device will start charging immediately.
It's seriously so useful being able to control the charging of my tablet or phone from my smart couch table, using Google to do it for me. Hey Google, turn off couch table charger.
No problem. I have turned the couch table charger off for you. and it is now safe to disconnect your device from the cable.
Okay, so we've seen the table going up, and now it's time to see it going down. And just before you all warn me that my glass of water is still sitting on the table and it's about to go all over my floor, thanks for the warning guys, but don't worry. Remember how I said before that my smart couch table was intelligent? Well, now you're about to see why. And once again, I'm going to hand this job over to my beloved voice assistant to show you how that works. Okay Google, close couch table.
Sure, please make sure everything is removed from the table. I will be closing the table in 10 seconds, starting from now.
And as you can see, Google gives me plenty of warning to remove my glass of water and anything else from the table before it closes. And that's it. That is my homemade smart couch table. And that is how it works. You know what? Interestingly enough, it wasn't long after finishing this project that I realized I could actually make a lot of improvements to it to make it even better. And I'm going to do that, but not today. I'll save that for another video. So as you have seen, my smart couch table works really well. But how did I make this smart couch table? Yeah, I thought you were going to ask me that. Okay then, I'll show you. The first thing I needed to do was to make a tabletop. So I went to the hardware shop, bought some wood, some screws, and screwed it together. I then sanded all around it to get rid of all the rough edges. Then, because I'm such a perfectionist, I decided to paint underneath the table to make it look tidier. Because I wanted the table to have a nice, soft, cushioned effect, I glued some polyfleece to the top of it. And of course I wanted the tabletop to match the couch. So I purchased some of the same material that the couch had been upholstered in and covered the tabletop in that as well. And for those of you who are now wondering, yes, I upholstered the couch as well. I used to do car upholstery, so I've had a lot of experience with sewing and upholstery. Then all there was left to do was to fit the guide to the side of the table. Then I mounted the motor and the hinges to the side of the couch. I did have to actually reinforce the side of the couch to do that because the side of the couch wasn't strong enough. Then I just needed to screw the tabletop to the two hinges. And the last thing to do was to build my smart couch table control interface. This is the brains behind my smart couch table. It's the main control interface. Yes, as always, I've made this entire project look very professional. And if you follow this channel and you have seen my other videos, then you already know I'm a perfectionist. Everything needs to look and work perfectly. And if it doesn't, it really annoys me. And I end up doing it again and again until it does. As you can see, this project is just plug and play. Everything is on plugs, including the main power socket, which is also fused, the smart couch motor, which plugs into here, and my phone charging system, which is what this is here. Inside the main control interface, you might be able to recognize this. Yes, it's another smart switch. You guys know how much I love smart switches. And this is another 4-channel smart switch. I'm using one channel to raise the smart couch table, another to lower it, and the third channel to control my phone charging system. And that is what this is down here. I just bought a 2-way phone charger, hacked it open, and connected it to the smart switch. Yep, it's seriously that easy to do. Okay, now let's go back to the couch. My smart couch table interface just mounts to the back of my couch using Velcro strips down here. Like that. And then everything just plugs into it. And once everything is plugged in, just turn on the power switch down here, and that's it. My smart couch table is ready to use. And as for the phone charging cable up here, it just mounts through this little plastic loop thing, which I've attached to the top of the motor. It's a nice loose fit, that way you can pull it through to the length that you want it to be. So about 3 weeks later, my smart couch table project was finally complete, and there was only one thing left to do. Test it out. Hey Google, open couch table.
Sure, please keep your arm and fingers away from the side of the couch because the table is opening now.
Okay guys, and that brings us to the end of another video. So what do you think of my smart couch table? I personally love it, and I had so much fun making it and this video for all of you to watch, so I hope you liked it. I wish I could only make videos like this for you every day, but I can't. They can be very time consuming and expensive to make. But of course that doesn't mean there's not going to be any more. In fact, there's a lot more smart home invention videos coming soon. I'm currently working on another one at the moment, but it's quite the challenge, so it's taking me quite some time to work out. I'll keep you all updated on that. I know a lot of you are not always on YouTube though, so it can be hard to keep you all up to date, but I'm also on Instagram, which is short with tech.official. It's in my bio as well. I usually post on my Instagram when I upload a new video as well, so that's another way I can keep everyone up to date. So if you haven't already, you can also follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with the channel and what's happening. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos, which are on the way. I always upload a new video every week, and so I hope to see you all in the next video. Okay Google, close couch table.
Sure, please make sure everything is removed from the table. I will be closing the table in 10 seconds. Starting from now.